we're spending the day at the Verandah Hotel and I think Hotel and Resort or Hotel and Spa. I keep forgetting.
Resort and Spa.
Okay, so we're having some quality sister time, just getting away for the day, and we'll let you know what we're up to. Say hi, Kev. That's how you say hi? I told y'all she's not about this camera life. So this is one of those resorts that you have to take a cart everywhere because everything is so far away. So we're now on the cart from reception to breakfast, I think to our room. Excuse me, can you wave to my camera? No, you gotta look back a little bit. So we just got finished with breakfast. It was actually pretty good. We're gonna go head to our room and we'll let you know what it looks like and stuff.
Okay, so this is what the room looks like. Kimmy's already in here. Here goes the bed. I hope I get a good shot of it. And there's a little dresser there. And there's like a little kitchenette area. And there's a little sitting area over here. This is the bathroom. It's really pretty how they have the little flower petals on it. Bathtub. Shower. Oh, my hair look crazy. It's like a his and hers setup. Even though ain't no romantic shit happening here today. And I'm just gonna show you guys outside really quickly. So this is a little veranda. I'm assuming that's why it's called veranda. I think all the rooms here have one. Or a porch, whatever you want to call it. And this is the view. So pretty. Anyways, we're gonna settle into the room now and get ready to hit the pool, maybe even the beach. If I can swindle them to go to the beach. No,
we don't do no beach.
Kev took a nap and me and Kimon went exploring earlier and I left the camera because we were shooting. But we're about to go to lunch and then after that I think we're going to do some water sports and maybe the beach, pool, I don't know. We'll figure it out, but you guys are going to get to see, hopefully.
So we just came from lunch. I don't even think I want to call it lunch because it was like grade A trash. Like the food was terrible. They had like what, all of one option of starch, spaghetti or some shit like that. And then like, I don't know, it was just fucking awful. Anyway, we're gonna go hang out by the pool now. Hopefully we could just get drunk or something because that food just threw me off completely.
funny. That's not funny.
Nerve-wracking experience of a sailing thing. Don't have any other words for that because y'all see what just happened. Anyway, I just need a very strong drink, and I got a Long Island iced tea. So this is about to have me fucked. Actually doesn't taste too strong, but it's a creeper.
Wet dog. It's cold.
This chick is trying to hold her hair up, talking about she can't get her hair wet. Like, who does that? Team Cut Life.
So we just got back to the room and we're taking turns having showers to wash all the salt water and the chlorine off, and then we're gonna head home. So we'll catch you next time. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.